Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another ATV video. In today's video, we're really putting the garage in 8's garage, since we're working in my garage. Which means, drumroll please, horrible lighting. Hopefully you guys don't mind as much as I did. As to what we're actually doing, we're swapping out the front brake pads on the Can-Am. It's a pretty simple process, costs about $20 from Amazon, and there's only 3 bolts that hold it in place, 2 Torx and 1 Allen. Once the 3 bolts are off, you can push the caliper back off the rod that's in the front of the caliper and it'll come right out. Swap out the pads and you put it back on. Tighten everything back up. And that's all there is to it. I'll catch up with you guys towards the end of the video. Other than the right side caliper being a little difficult to get back into place because of all the hoses and cables, it was pretty straightforward. As you can tell, the brake pads were basically non-existent, so this will make a pretty big difference. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.